Verse 4.
By faith, Abel offered to God a more acceptable sacrifice than Cain, through which it was testified of him that he was righteous, upright, in right standing with God. And God testified by accepting his gift, and though he died, yet through this act of faith, he still speaks.
Okay, now. Don't bypass this.
No.
Abel was approved of God, wasn't
Yes.
he? Why?
He gave an acceptable gift.
And how did he give it? In other words, Abel was in sufficient faith relations with God to demonstrate that faith by offering an acceptable sacrifice. What we're learning here is what relations with God does. It does this, it does that, it does the other in demonstration of proper relationships with the Creator.
Okay. When we say the word faith, we need to have in mind that God has asked for something, and we give it to him. Right?
Yeah.
If you ask for something, do you want something that's not that thing? No. You want the thing you asked for. So if I say, husband, I need $20, and you give me a $2 bill, I'm not going to be pleased with that because that's not what I asked for. Right? Faith in its simplicity is give to the asker what they ask for. God says, this is an acceptable gift. Give it to me. And Abel says, okay.
I'm going to give it to you.
Cain says, no, I don't want to give you that. And then he gets mad, not with God for asking for an acceptable gift, but he gets mad with his brother for obeying God. Kills him.
In other words, Cain was not loyal.
No.
Abel was loyal.
Loyal.
Cain didn't show fidelity to God, but Abel showed fidelity to God by obeying God.
Right.
Loyalty, fidelity.
Right.
That's relationship.
That's relation.
This is what faith is.
Right.
Communion. Fellowship. It's relationship with God. That's what this is.